In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see an options chart in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful charting platform widely used by traders and investors worldwide, offering a comprehensive set of tools for analyzing financial markets. Accessing options charts can really enhance your trading strategy by giving you deeper insight into market data. So let's dive into how you can easily find these charts. First, you need to head over to the TradingView website, which you can easily do by entering tradingview.com into your browser's address bar. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll see a vibrant display of charts and market summaries. This is essentially the hub of TradingView, and from here, we'll navigate to access the options charts we need. Next, take a look at the main navigation bar at the top of the page. You might notice various highlights and features being emphasized. Simply click on any area that's highlighted to proceed. This will ensure you're accessing the most current features or updates available on TradingView. After clicking the highlighted section, search for the Products tab. This section is usually sorted into different categories like stocks, forex, and something we're interested in today, options. By clicking on Products, you'll see a drop-down menu appear, showcasing a variety of tools and charts you can explore. Now, within that drop-down, you'll choose Supercharts. Supercharts is an advanced charting tool within TradingView that provides enhanced capabilities for in-depth market analysis. Clicking on Supercharts will direct you to a new page, and here's where the fun really begins as we dive into specific options. On this page, you'll find a search bar prominently placed. Click on it to start your search. Here you're looking to type in option as the keyword. Typing this in should bring up a list of different options charts and related data available on TradingView, among which you'll find the one that suits your trading needs. Upon generating the list, keep an eye out for Bank Nifty. If you're unfamiliar with Bank Nifty, it's an index that tracks the top banking stocks within the National Stock Exchange of India, and accessing its options chart can be particularly insightful. Click on Bank Nifty and proceed to the next crucial step. You now might see multiple options listed. Click on the option marked with the number 30. The number typically represents the strike price or the expiration date, crucial for options trading. Selecting the right one will give you the specific data you need to make informed decisions. Finally, right-click anywhere on the chart that you're observing. Doing so will bring up a context menu where you'll see the option to reset chart view. Resetting the view is a helpful tip as it ensures you're beginning your analysis from a clean slate, without any prior annotations or changes cluttering your screen. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily access and view options charts within TradingView. Feel free to explore the various features and tools TradingView has to offer to get the most out of your trading experience.